What's up guys, Now here from Now Knows Tech, and today I'm going to review what in my opinion is the best budget smartwatch and fitness tracker. Let's get into it. It comes in a simple and clean package. First you are greeted with the watch in a nice fabric bag, then you get the charger and also get a tiny manual. This watch feels nice. It's mainly aluminum with a bit of plastic on the heart rate sensor. It has great battery life and could definitely last a week depending on your usage. This watch has all the fitness features that you would expect on a fitness tracker, so step counters, heart rate monitor, sleep monitors, and many more. It also has different modes that you can start a stopwatch for the period of time that you do that exercise. All the fitness results can be seen on the app. Now let's talk about the smartwatch features in this watch. On this device you can receive your notifications, play music, make it a shutter button for your phone camera. On this you can also check the weather if it's connected to your phone. These are all great features, but the standout feature to me is the customization aspect that this watch provides at its price point. Personally, I love the amount of watch faces that you get, and you also get the option to create your own watch face by using your own photos. All this can be done on the app that comes with it. Now, there's lots good about this watch, but there are also some negatives. Like the dial doesn't actually scroll through the pages. All it does is when you press it on, it turns on the watch. The band quality is also not the greatest, but definitely usable. For some reason, my messages feature doesn't work the best. I don't know why. Definitely the worst thing about this watch is the charger. It just isn't right. The problem is that to charge the watch, you have to pinpoint the pins on the charger with the ones on the watch. And that isn't the best. I would definitely recommend this watch for yourself or a present for someone else. Do the positives outweigh the negatives? That's for you to decide. Hopefully that helped you if you're looking for a smartwatch or a fitness tracker. Please remember to press the bell icon and enable all notifications so you are the first to get notified when a new video is released. Anyways, that's it for today. Stay safe. Peace.